Welcome to our VirtuaLaw legal analysis series. In today's episode, we will discuss the case of China Banking Corporation versus Commissioner of Internal Revenue, GR number 172509. This landmark case was decided by the Supreme Court of the Philippines on February 4, 2015. Let's dive right into it. Facts. China Banking Corporation, CBC, is a private universal bank in the Philippines. In 1982 to 1986, CBC sold foreign bills of exchange to the Central Bank of the Philippines. The sales were made through telegraphic transfers. Under the documentary stamp tax law, a documentary stamp tax, DST, is imposed on the sale of foreign bills of exchange. The DST is payable by the transferee of the foreign bill of exchange. In 1989, the Commissioner of Internal Revenue, SIR, issued an assessment to CBC for deficiency DST for the years 1982 to 1986. CBC protested the assessment, but the SIR denied the protest. CBC then filed a petition for review with the Court of Tax Appeals, CTA, which dismissed the petition. CBC appealed to the Supreme Court. Issue: whether the SIR's right to collect the deficiency DST had prescribed. Ruling: the Supreme Court held that the SIR's right to collect the deficiency DST had prescribed. The prescriptive period for collecting DST is 3 years from the date the tax is due and demandable. In this case, the DST became due and demandable in 1982 to 1986. The SIR issued the assessment in 1989, which was more than 3 years after the DST became due and demandable. Therefore, the SIR's right to collect the deficiency DST had prescribed. Conclusion: the Supreme Court dismissed CBC's petition for review. The SIR was ordered to cease and desist from collecting the deficiency DST from CBC. Case significance: this case clarifies the prescriptive period for collecting DST. The prescriptive period for collecting DST is 3 years from the date the tax is due and demandable. This case is also a reminder to taxpayers to file their tax returns and pay their taxes on time. That's all for this episode. Stay tuned for more legal insights in our future episode. Remember, understanding landmark case helps us comprehend the intricacies of our legal system. See you next time. Like and subscribe.